Okay, squash, I see you growing over here. Zucchini or squash, one of y'all. Come on. I think you guys are some peppers. Come on up. Come on up, peppers. I see my lavender is still growing over here. Come on, lavender. Come on, lavender. Grow. Big bunch of lavender. I smell you too. You smell good. Got one over here too. Come on, lavender. Ooh, you smell good. Okay, Jamaican sorrel, come on. I went ahead and cut the zucchini off. I don't know if it's gonna still be good since it has turned yellow now. Still see a little green on it. So I don't know if it has turned itself into a yellow squash and it's still good to eat. And I'm gonna take it in and try it out. Have some more. Need to pull that one out. I don't see any more flowers over here. But I do see some more squash growing over here. Come on. Grow, squash, grow. I was happy to see in my watermelon patch where I had 3 watermelons growing. There go the 2 right there that I found out. I got 1 more there. And where's the other one at? Lord, I done forgot where it's at now. Where you at? There you go. And 1 more right there. So I have a total of 5 watermelons growing over here. Come on. Y'all get big there. Come on, watermelon. These the sugar baby watermelon, so they're gonna be small, round size watermelon, individual type watermelon. They're gonna have to get a little bit bigger before I'm ready to harvest them. So come on, watermelon. Grow for me. Grow big and sweet for us. I did a little harvest today. Some okra. Pepper that I said I better go on and pull out because it looked like something was trying to eat on it. And I went on and brought the zucchini / squash on in. And I cut off a lot of those, my basils that I was seeing going to seed. I'm going to go and propagate them in another pot and grow some more basils in another area.